What is Manus AI Agent? Developed in China in 2025. Autonomous AI agent system performs tasks with minimal human input. Why is it gaining global attention? Already deployed in logistics, finance, cybersecurity, adaptable, fast-learning behavior. Key features of Manus: real-time decision-making, cross-platform operability, voice Xiaon, vision, Xiaon, behavior learning. What makes it different from GPT or Gemini? Works beyond language, acts instead of just responding, can modify digital systems. Potential risks: surveillance concerns, national security implications, global imbalance in AI power. Ethical debate around Manus: who controls it? Can it be misused? Cross-border digital intrusion concerns. Comparison: East versus West AI agents. Manus vs. GPT, for vs. Gemini Yotarfom. Closed source versus open AI. Military versus commercial focus. Should the world be concerned? Innovation versus risk. Global AI race. Lack of regulation for autonomous agents. Conclusion:
Manus is powerful but controversial. Raises key questions for AI governance and ethics. Call to action. Subscribe for more AI news. Comment your thoughts. Should we be worried? #Manus AI